I'm going to show you something really cool. I'm going to show you piano notes made visible. Go check this out. Take a good look at this Cyma piano, where the notes you are playing are made visible. I'm going to take the mouse off my computer and press, for example, this note between those two black keys. This note is called a D. After I click on it, watch to the right of the piano, because there you're going to see what that D looks like. It will be made visible. Now let's try a different note. Let's try this one. This is called an E. When you play the piano, everything around you organizes itself into these beautiful patterns and shapes, which means you are surrounded by sheer beauty and order when you are actively making music. Just take a look at the beautiful patterns and order that sound and music create. Everything that is beautiful has order to it. Just take a look at nature, the flowers, the constellation of the stars and planets. Even the smallest cell of your body is finely tuned and structured. Many of us are dealing with a lot of inner chaos, and that is especially true for our children with special needs. They have a harder time making sense of the chaotic world we live in, but there is hope and help. Music and rhythm create order out of chaos. When you and your special needs child are actively involved in music making, you are assuring an inner beauty and peace for them and for yourself that no other modality can bring or guarantee. If playing the piano can create such beautiful shapes, just think of what it can do for you and your child's inner healing and inner peace. From such a place of inner peace and beauty automatically flow higher self-esteem, improved social skills, stronger brain function, better health, a more productive and successful life.